people. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. You don't see Marian Step on the island. So far right now, I'm going to take a look and say, wow, go and cross the island. Half a tree, but this. Alright? Expensive gadgets. So far, my people. So far, my people. And you can hear the wind. So far, my people. Just doing a tour of the place to understand what is going to be the impact of this storm. We're currently in South Barrow, my people. Oh, boy. Like, couldn't even pass.